Hello folks, so an update for you today with the DJI Mini 4 Pro. So this is coming out on September 25th. We now know the price. So this comes to us from a good friend of mine online, Gavin HR. And if you don't know him and you like all things drones, then I would recommend you check him out on YouTube. That's Gavin HR. But he has got the price for us. Now, this is only the UK price in pounds, but I am going to try and translate it for you for those that are in the US. So the DJI Mini 4 Pro, this is the Fly More combo. That means with the additional batteries and the carrying case and a few other bits, is going to be launching at £979. And to put that in context, my Mini 3 Pro here, which I also got with the Fly More combo back when it was released, cost a total of £1,018. So the Mini 4 Pro is launching at a slightly lower price, which is really interesting. And just to put things into context for you, in dollars, the Mini 3 Pro with the Fly More combo kit is $1,158. So again, I would expect the Mini 4 Pro to be launching at probably $30 to $50 less than that price with the Fly More combo. Now, I have chosen to upgrade from the Mini 3 Pro to the Mini 4 Pro when it releases, and the main reason for that is it is going to be bundled with the new RC2 controller, which is the upgraded version of this screen controller. So if you've not seen the RC2 controller, I think it's available at the moment with the Air 3. It's a huge upgrade to this because it is bundled with Ocusync 4 technology. This is DJI's in-house technology, and effectively it gives you far better range and far better consistency in the signal than this does. So that's the reason I'm going to be upgrading, but I do want to hear your thoughts. Are you going to be getting the Mini 4 Pro? And if so, is this going to be your first DJI drone? Are you upgrading from the Mini 3 Pro? Or are you upgrading from perhaps another drone that isn't the Mini 3? Please do let me know down in the comments. And if you are getting the Mini 4 Pro, what about it are you excited about that made you want to purchase it? So thank you so much for stopping by. I will be doing lots of Mini 4 Pro videos on the channel going forward, so please do stick around by subscribing to be notified of those. But until then, have a great day. Happy flying!